In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Binance Web3 Wallet feature. Now, if you're trying to use the Web3 feature within Binance, you need to first of all initialize and activate your wallet. So what you simply need to do is head over to the option on the bottom right of your screen, which will then take you to the wallet creation section. So if you have not yet activated your Web3 wallet, you need to first of all create your wallet, and then you'll be able to get a backup code generated, and you should be able to connect either your Google Drive or your iCloud account. Once your wallet has been created, you will be able to move your assets to the Web3 version. You can simply head over to the Web3 wallet and you can select each token such as USDT or BNB and choose your target blockchain network. So these are some of the things that you can do with the Web3 version, as well as you can swap and trade tokens across chains. You can also swap and trade tokens across chains, and you can also connect to the Decentralized application and claim your airdrops. So these are a few features that you can get, or the few features that you can use within the Binance Web3 wallet. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.